There's no thing right there now. We took it off. It's right there. We're able to get it back on though when we want it on. Oh, that's one with the speed cover. There's the purple and the turquoise. Wait, the turquoise is dead. Oh, this one fell. See, it's getting dead. Oh. This is the one with the blue cover and the silver on it. There's the purple. Oh, he's fast. That's the third one. There's only one dead yet. I don't think it. I wonder if it's on him. Oh, yikes. Ah! 3 of them fell. The purple. Still stuck? Jeez. Okay, this one's kind of too dead, see? Turning them off. These ones run dead a lot. But now Lucas's, his lasts a long time. Start turning these off. See, now it's not fast anymore. It already ran dead. That one's still fast. This is the hardcover one. Wait, there's one more down here? No. I think he'll win. I'll have to see. I think he's too dead. Well, no, he's kind of fast enough to do it. That one's so loud. Push each other off already. Okay, we need more help, I guess. Let's send in help. Hey! Get back in there. Yay! This one took a while. 3 more left now. There were 6 that were on. Well, 7, but that one wasn't on one. The orange one, that'll never work again, but I'll just get a new one. Ah! Oh, green and purple are the last ones. These were all Orbit series except for this one. They'll never fall off.